Being honest with yourself about whether or not you can do something or not is so important as a mompreneur. My name is Dave Smith, and I'm a productivity coach and digital organizer. And I'm going to talk to you about why mindfulness is so important for your productivity and to reduce stress. As moms, we often put a lot on our plate, and we feel guilty when we can't do everything that we have assigned ourselves. But being realistic with yourself, with your time, with your energy, and with your space is going to help you to be more productive, where you're able to really weed through and filter the things that aren't important, that maybe you don't need to do for the day, for the week, or the month. It's actually going to help you to really focus on the priorities that you have and not have that extra stress that's unneeded in your life. You're also going to be more able to give yourself grace for knowing that just because you're assigned to do something and you may not get it done, that's okay. Done is better than perfect, and perhaps there's opportunity to bring someone else in to help you complete things. So being mindful of your energy and your space is going to be super important to reduce stress and help you be more productive in the long run. For more content like this, like, follow, and share.